Hello and welcome. This is your attorney, Alan Edmunds. I practice national security law, military law, and merit system protection law across the United States. As many of you know, I have offices from California, Texas, Florida, North Carolina, and Washington, D.C., all to assist you. We represent both active duty military and civilian employees, as well as federal employees. And today I want to talk to you about something that is in response to many questions I get. Sometimes you've had actions brought against you by the Department of Defense or Department of Energy, and they're after your security clearance, or they've issued you a notice of proposed action, which is the initial filing to take your job away or suspend you. And many of you get so frustrated because the basis for the government action is erroneous. There's mistakes, the motives are highly questionable, and you say, what can I do? Well, the answer is, and what the Edmunds law firm does on behalf of our clients, is we will file an Inspector General complaint. The Office of the Inspector General is available to you, not just federal agencies, but it's available to you to file a grievance or a complaint against an agency, an employee, or some other individual of authority that's had an impact on your clearance or your job. The process to engage the Inspector General is somewhat difficult, and it requires precise steps. We at the Edmunds Law Firm are available to you, 800-481-2526. We file IG complaints through several agencies, the Department of the Navy, Department of Defense. We'll file them to the Department of Energy, and we'll do them with Homeland Security. All federal agencies generally have an Office of Inspector General. The problem is, if you don't do the correct process, don't engage in the correct process to file the complaint, it goes nowhere. And the IG's office is notorious for not responding. So it's going to be very frustrating even dealing with them. But there is relief, and that's what I want to talk to you about. This law firm filed an IG complaint with the Department of Energy in a case that we won. The government, it was an employee case, it was a case involving termination, and we won the case. They started out by offering no money to our client, and they ended up offering a huge amount of money, plus a clean employment file and some other goodies, including attorney's fees. But what we also did was we filed an IG complaint to bring pressure on the agency to settle, and it worked. And not only that, but the key witness for the government that was filing malicious statements, we believe, against our client was demoted. And so our client was not only vindicated and not only restored, but also had his own day in court, so to speak, because the individual that started the whole problem in the beginning was now demoted, and justice was served. The Edmunds Law Firm is here for you. Across the United States, call us 800-481-2526. I don't care what the federal agency is. We've represented clients before, all of them, and we're anxious to help you. So call me. My name's Alan Edmunds, and I'm your lawyer. Thank you.